everyone. Welcome back to our educational channel. Today, we are going to explore an incredible system that keeps our bodies clean and healthy, the human excretory system. If you're a student studying biology, this is a topic you won't want to miss. So, let's dive right in. Before we delve into the structure of the human excretory system, let's briefly understand what it does. The excretory system is responsible for removing waste and harmful substances from our bodies. It helps maintain a stable internal environment, also known as homeostasis. The main organs involved in this system are the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys, shaped like beans, are located on either side of the spine, just below the ribcage. They are the primary organs of the excretory system. Within the kidneys are thousands of tiny filtration units called nephrons. Nephrons are responsible for filtering the blood and removing waste products, excess water, and electrolytes to form urine. Now, let's see how nephrons work. As blood flows through the kidneys, the nephrons filter it, retaining essential substances like glucose and amino acids while removing waste products such as urea and creatinine. This filtered waste combines with water to form urine. Once urine is formed, it moves from each kidney to the bladder through two thin tubes called ureters. The bladder, a muscular sac, stores the urine until it's ready to be eliminated. The bladder stretch receptors signal the brain when it's full, leading to the urge to urinate. When we are ready to empty our bladder, the urine leaves the body through the urethra, a tube connecting the bladder to the external opening. This process is called urination or micturition. It's essential to keep this system functioning optimally through proper hydration and a balanced diet. And there you have it, the remarkable human excretory system explained for Class 10 students. Remember, taking care of our bodies is essential for a healthy life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Goodbye.